Hello children, good morning. We are meeting again. Do you remember me? Do you know my name? Yes, I am Minnie. In the last class, I had given you some tasks. You completed the task? Very good. Okay. All of you have done well. Did you match the activities with the picture correctly? Don't you want to know the correct answer? Look here. Did you draw and color the picture? Please show me. Very beautiful. Congratulations to all. Who all wrote the picture description? All of you? Can anyone read? Well done. Okay. In the picture, there is a dog, isn't it? You have written about it. Look, the teacher's version. Have you written about the dog? About the dog. Everybody check your writing. If you have written, put a star there. Put a star there. Have you written about other animals? About other animals? About the house? About the house? About the fence? About the fence? About the bucket? About the bucket? About the trees and plants? About the trees and plants? Now, how many stars you got? How many stars you got? Minimum 6. Minimum 6 you got. Anybody got more than 6? Anybody got more than 6? Count your stars and draw like this. Count and draw like this. Who will got 6? Who will got 6? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Excellent. A big star for you. A big star for you. Who got 5 stars only? Who got 5 stars only? Oh, you missed one. You missed one. Which one you missed? Did you find it? Then add it your description. Okay. Who got only 4 stars? Who got only 4 stars? Find the missed sentence. Add it to your description. So, I will give you some time. All of you correct your description and win the lost stars. Now everybody got 6 stars. Nice. Very good attempt. Can we clap ourselves? How will we clap? I will give all of you a piece of paper. You can make anything you like. I will give you 5 minutes. Finished it? Did you finish, Akhil? What did you make? What did you make? Oh, you have made a wonderful boat. Very good. Devika, you have made a rocket with the paper. Well done. Okay, children, there is a dog in the picture, isn't it? What is the name of the dog? What is the name of the dog? Yes, it's our Billu. Today we are going to make Billu. What is this? What is this? Yes, a piece of paper. What is the shape of this paper? What is the shape of this paper? Yes, a triangle. A triangle. Look, how many corners? How many corners? A corner here, one corner here, the third one here. Yes, 3 corners. How many sides? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Then fold the corners like this. Second corner like this. Then the bottom one upward like this. Now we have to take the marker and draw 2 eyes. Draw 2 eyes. 1, 2. 2 eyes. And mouth like this. Yes, what we got? We have got the face of a dog. We have got the face of a dog. Is it very cute? Do you like it? It's our Billu. Can everyone make Billu at home? What things all we need? A paper of triangular shape and a marker pen. Activity 1, making Billu. There was a farmer who had a dog. Billu was his name. There was a farmer who had a dog. Billu was his name. B-I-L-L-U, B-I-L-L-U, Billu was his name. Shall we sing the song once again? There was a farmer who had a dog. Billu was his name. B-I-L-L-U, 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 and Billu was his name. Did you like this song? Okay, all of you stand up. Can you sing once more? Okay. There was a farmer who had a dog. Billu was his name. B-I-L-L-U, 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 and Billu was his name. എല്ലാവർക്കും പാട്ട് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടോ? എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടല്ലേ? നല്ല കുട്ടികൾ. Children, do you remember the animals in the farmer's house? Which are the animals? This one? Yes, hen. This one? Yeah, cat. Yes, yeah, goat. Yeah, dog. You are correct. Which are the farmer's pets? Which are the farmer's pet animals? Cat, hen, goat, and Dog. Very good. These animals will sing a song for you. I am a dog, I am a dog, I can guard your home. I am a dog, I am a dog, I can guard your home. I am a cat, I am a cat, I can catch the rats. I am a cat, I am a cat, I can catch the rat. I am a hen, I am a hen, I can give you eggs. I am a hen, I am a hen, I can give you eggs. I am a goat, I am a goat, I can give you milk. I am a goat, I am a goat, I can give you milk. Let's sing the song once again. I am a dog, I am a dog, I can guard your home. I am a dog, I am a dog, I can guard your house. I am a cat, I am a cat, I can catch the rats. I am a cat, I am a cat, I can catch the rat. I am a hen, I am a hen, I can give you eggs. I am a hen, I am a hen, I can give you eggs. I am a goat, I am a goat, I can give you milk. I am a goat, I am a goat, I can give you milk. Okay, have you enjoyed it? You sang well. A big clap for you. Now there is a worksheet for you. Match the table of animals and their uses. പ്രിയ രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ, പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാൻ കുട്ടികളെ സഹായിക്കുമല്ലോ. Okay children, we will see in the next class. Bye bye.